Hey guys, so I am still at my other Walmart. You see I got 25 miles to go to the next one. I'm just gonna go ahead and record the entire time and hopefully the battery lasts, I don't know, but we will see. But as you can still see, I'm still at Walmart 1958 and they gave me this. So thank you for making a difference. National Truck Driver Appreciation Week. Thank you for your services and commitment to delivering our merchandise. I've never had Walmart give me this. What's in it? I have literally no idea. And as you guys saw from my last video, I've been dealing with a lot of stuff. So this is actually just, this put a smile on my face like no tomorrow, guys. This was just super cool. So, as you can see, I've not untied it. I have no idea what's in here. So, I guess we get to see what it is. And this is gonna be a one take Charlie because there's no way I'm gonna retie this and all that. So, hopefully, as I hold it up at an odd angle, we can take a look at this. So yeah, making a difference like that. Sweet. Kool-Aid, that'll go right in the cooler. We got some chocolate, some mixed candies and snacks. Ooh, I'll eat these now. Skittles, fruit snacks. You know, these are all things I'll eat. Freaking awesome, guys. Thank you, Walmart. So yeah, that was just super cool. Super cheap, but you know what? It's not even how much this was worth. It was the thought. You know, nobody realizes, other than truck drivers, how important of a job we actually do to keep America the way it is. So I'm actually just gonna put this whole thing in my, actually no, I'll put it back here for right now. And I have a question, y'all. Do I have a problem, or do I have a problem with Starbucks coffees? Normally I actually have food in here, but I just haven't shopped or decided to cook. So I've only had drinks in here. So I just decided to throw all my coffees in there because why not? And that one's not that cold. So I'm gonna grab that one. That one's, oh yeah, that one's nice and cold. All right. So I literally just got back in the truck, so I gotta do a departure call. And then we'll get heading to our next stop. So it's 24 miles away, so about 25 minutes. Did I do my arrival call? Yeah. So depart 03, 09, I believe it's 08. So here's a screen I set up with all the 4 o'clocks that, you know, the 48 states use. It's really nice, and it's a quick way to kind of just figure out what you're doing. So we'll say 1900. We'll be there before then, and it might go off and be like, oh, you're gonna be late to your next stop, and I'm gonna be like, no, I'm not. But you know what? I'm not even gonna worry about it. Actually, let's take a look. 2000. So I gotta be at my last stop at 2000. We put 19. We're gonna be there in more than enough time. So send. There we go. And go back to home. Navigation. All right. So I kind of wish I recorded this back. I forgot what Walmart this was. This is one of the ones that I like to try to bring students to because it's not easy. So I'm gonna come out of here and I'm gonna spin in a different direction than normal, just because I want you guys to see this back here for exactly what it is. So I'm just gonna come way out here and jackknife this trailer, kind of like this. So as you can see, as this turn starts to come up in our window here, you gotta back into that right there. It's one dock. That's for the grocery side. You got a wall, fences, and everything else. That back right there looks very scary. And when I bring my students here, they're really freaked out about it. They're like, oh my God, there's a wall. And I'm like, so? There's a wall. A wall, a trailer, a painted line on the ground, traffic cones, it doesn't matter, okay? You can't hit it. So don't think about the wall. Just drive the truck. Well, actually, you're parking, so you're parking the truck, the trailer. The truck just kind of follows, okay? I need to really do some drone footage. I might try to do it at this stop next time I come down this way. I've been slipping, guys. Sorry about that. There's nothing I can say other than the fact that, yeah, I've been slipping. So, sorry about that. Now, I don't know if this video is going to stay recording the entire time because I don't know how much of a battery I have or don't have. So, if this video is cut short, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, rate, and subscribe. If we get all the way to the end and do a parking job, fantastic. Well, I guess the only way you would know if we did do a parking job is if you watch the whole video. Or cheat and go to the end. I mean, I guess you could always do that and just jump to the end. One of these days, though, I was going to do it yesterday, but I was just overwhelmed with everything that was going on. But I'm going to just sit there and record back after back after back after back after back, and maybe upload them in two pairs, you know, two at a time, or maybe individually or something. I'm not sure. But you guys have been crying for backing up videos. And so I'm going to try to really step up my game, get you guys what you guys want, and get some, you know, video footage. Now, I'm headed over to, I'm not even going to try to pronounce this place, but it's over by McAllen, Texas. And so I'm actually headed east right now. So right outside the passenger side window would be Mexico. We're pretty darn close to Mexico. We're going down US 83, as you guys can see.